Africa needs to train 1 million students a year over the next 10 years to meet its growth target. However, the current infrastructure is not expanding as fast. We believe mobile technology is the most effective way to expand the classroom and transform universities. At Chalkboard Education, we have developed a mobile application where universities publish the teaching material for their students. Students access their courses even without the internet. So how does it work? First, students either download the app on an app store or receive a link via SMS. Each student has private access to the app and the specific classes thanks to a unique login code. This is an example of a course published on our app for students of the National Polytechnic Institute in Ivory Coast. This is a class of geology. It is a one-time download, so even when I'm offline, for instance on airplane mode here, I still have access to the app. Once logged in, students have access to the modules they are registered to. Here, we see one module divided into 3 parts: first part, second part, and a seminar. Students cannot access the sessions randomly. They have to go through and unlock one session after the other. Let's explore the module. The first part is divided into 3 sessions. Some of the content is locked, meaning the students have to progress in sequence. You're supposed to read the content and then tap on answer. At the end of each session, students are required to send a unique code that allows professors to check on their progression. This is also how we check on their activity. For more flexibility, students can choose how to send their code via SMS, Messenger, or WhatsApp. So if you choose SMS, this is what happens. The system then sends the code to the student to unlock the second session, and so on. In addition, we are able to host text, images, and soon audio files and animated images. You can zoom in on the images. As you can see, the app is very light. To learn more about us, go to our website, chalkboard.education, and that's it.